Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a culinary adventure that's not just good for your taste buds, but also great for Mother Earth. We're talking about turning those pesky food scraps, yes, the ones you usually toss in the trash, into delicious meals. That's right, we're going from trash to treasure with some creative cooking hacks. Did you know that nearly a third of all food produced for human consumption is wasted? That's a staggering statistic. But don't worry, we can all do our part to reduce waste, and it starts in our very own kitchens. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Stock time. First up, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to use food scraps: making homemade stock. You can use vegetable peels, onion skins, celery tops, and even those wilting herbs that you forgot about. They all pack a punch of flavor. Grab a big pot and throw in all your veggie scraps. Look at these beauties. Add some leftover bones if you have them. Chicken, beef, or even fish bones work great. Trust me, your stock will be bursting with flavor. Now, cover everything with water, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer for about an hour. You can add some spices like bay leaves, peppercorns, and salt to enhance the flavor. After it's done, strain the solids, and voila! You've got homemade stock ready to elevate your soups and sauces. Scrunchy snacks. Next, let's tackle those vegetable peels. Instead of tossing them, why not turn them into crunchy snacks? Sweet potato, carrot, and zucchini peels make for delicious chips. Just toss your peels in a bit of olive oil, sprinkle some salt, and any seasoning you fancy, like paprika or garlic powder. Spread them out on a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 10-15 minutes until they're nice and crispy. These are a perfect guilt-free snack. You can even store them in an airtight container for those late-night cravings. Fancy fruit peels. Now, let's not forget about fruit scraps, particularly those citrus peels. Instead of tossing them, you can candy them or use them to make a zesty syrup. To candy them, simmer the peels in equal parts water and sugar until they become translucent. Once they're done, let them dry, and you've got a sweet treat that's perfect for snacking or decorating desserts. Or, if you want to make a citrus syrup, simply simmer the peels with sugar and water. Strain it, and you'll have a fantastic syrup to drizzle over pancakes, ice cream, or even cocktails. Cheers to that. Delicious meals. Okay, now let's put everything together and create a delicious meal using our food scraps. Today, we're making a hearty vegetable soup. Start by sautéing any leftover veggies you have, like those half-used carrots, potatoes, or even the stems of leafy greens. Add them to your pot of homemade stock, and let them simmer together. This is where the magic happens. Feel free to throw in some beans or lentils for protein, and season it to your liking. You'll have a warm, comforting soup that's not only delicious but also a way to use up those scraps. And there you have it. From stock to snacks and a hearty meal, we've transformed food scraps into something truly special. Not only do we save money, but we also help reduce food waste, which is a win-win situation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our delicious tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to use food scraps? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Remember, every scrap has potential, so go out there and get creative in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.